Imagine standing on the deck of what many are calling the rebirth of naval legend, the 2026 Bismarck Battleship. This isn't just a remake or a tribute to the historic warship, it's a complete reimagining of what a battleship could be if built with today's technology, modern warfare philosophy, and next-generation engineering. At first glance, the ship commands attention with its sheer scale and presence. Stretching longer than most modern destroyers and carrying a hull designed with stealth shaping, the 2026 Bismarck blends old-world intimidation with futuristic elegance. The angular superstructure reduces radar cross-section, giving it a surprisingly low observability profile for something so massive. It's not invisible, of course, but compared to traditional battleships of the past, it's far more difficult to track and target, which already sets it apart as a unique hybrid between legacy firepower and modern stealth doctrine. Moving into the design elements, the hull is constructed using advanced composite armor layered with high-tensile steel and ceramic-based materials. This combination offers both durability and weight efficiency, allowing the ship to maintain high protection levels without sacrificing speed. The armor isn't just passive either, it integrates reactive defense layers capable of dispersing energy from incoming projectiles and even mitigating the impact of certain missile strikes. The deck layout has also been optimized for versatility. Unlike the original Bismarck, which was heavily focused on large-caliber naval guns, this 2026 version embraces a multi-role approach. You still get the iconic large turrets, reimagined with electromagnetic railgun technology, but they now coexist with vertical launch systems, drone bays, and advanced radar arrays that give the ship a much broader operational capability. Speaking of those railguns, they are arguably one of the biggest highlights of the ship. Instead of traditional powder-based artillery, the 2026 Bismarck uses electromagnetic acceleration to fire projectiles at hypersonic speeds. This means significantly greater range, accuracy, and destructive power. A single shot can travel hundreds of kilometers with pinpoint precision, making it capable of striking both sea and land targets without the need for explosive warheads. It's not just about brute force anymore, it's about precision dominance. And despite the technological leap, the design of the turrets still pays homage to the classic silhouette, giving longtime naval enthusiasts that nostalgic connection while delivering cutting-edge performance. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the battleship truly redefines expectations. Powered by a hybrid propulsion system combining nuclear energy with advanced electric drive systems, the 2026 Bismarck can operate for extended periods without refueling. The nuclear reactor provides a consistent power source not just for propulsion but also for its energy-intensive systems like railguns, radar, and defensive shields. Meanwhile, the electric propulsion ensures quieter movement through the water, reducing acoustic signatures and making it harder for submarines to detect. In terms of speed, it can reach upwards of 35 knots, which is incredibly impressive for a vessel of this size and class. Maneuverability has also been significantly improved thanks to AI-assisted navigation systems and advanced thruster configurations that allow tighter turning radiuses than you'd expect from a battleship. Another key aspect is the ship's sensor and communication suite. The 2026 Bismarck is equipped with a fully integrated combat management system powered by artificial intelligence. This system processes data from multiple sources, radar, sonar, satellites, and onboard drones, to create a real-time battlefield picture. It doesn't just display information, it actively assists in decision-making by predicting enemy movements, suggesting optimal firing solutions, and even automating certain defensive responses. This level of integration transforms the battleship from a standalone weapon into a central command hub capable of coordinating entire fleets. It's not just fighting battles, it's orchestrating them. When it comes to defense, the ship is layered with multiple systems designed to counter a wide range of threats. Starting from long-range interception, it carries advanced missile defense systems capable of neutralizing incoming ballistic and cruise missiles. Moving closer, there are rapid-fire laser defense arrays that can disable drones, small boats, and even incoming projectiles with incredible speed and precision. These laser systems are particularly effective because they have virtually unlimited ammunition as long as the ship's power systems are operational. And for close-range threats, automated gun systems provide a final line of defense, ensuring that nothing gets too close without facing serious resistance. Combined, these layers create a defensive bubble that is extremely difficult to penetrate. One of the more unique selling points of the 2026 Bismarck is its drone integration. The ship carries a fleet of unmanned aerial vehicles and underwater drones, each designed for specific roles such as reconnaissance, surveillance, and even offensive operations. These drones extend the ship's reach far beyond the horizon, allowing it to gather intelligence and engage targets without exposing itself to unnecessary risk. For example, reconnaissance drones can scout enemy positions and relay real-time data back to the ship, while armed drones can carry out precision strikes on high-value targets. Underwater drones, on the other hand, are used for mine detection, submarine tracking, and even sabotage missions. This multi-domain capability makes the battleship incredibly versatile and adaptable to different mission scenarios. Crew experience has also been completely transformed. Unlike the original Bismarck, which required a massive crew to operate, the 2026 version uses automation to significantly reduce personnel requirements. This not only improves efficiency but also enhances safety and comfort. The interior spaces are designed with modern ergonomics in mind, featuring advanced living quarters, medical facilities, and recreational areas that make long deployments more manageable. The command center, in particular, feels more like a high-tech control room than a traditional bridge, with large digital displays, touch interfaces, and augmented reality systems that provide commanders with an intuitive way to interact with the ship's systems. Another interesting aspect is the ship's environmental adaptability. The 2026 Bismarck is built to operate in a wide range of conditions, from icy Arctic waters to hot tropical seas. Its hull is reinforced for ice-breaking capabilities, while its cooling systems ensure optimal performance even in extreme heat. This global operability means it can be deployed virtually anywhere in the world without significant modifications, making it a valuable asset for any navy looking to maintain a strong international presence. In terms of strategic value, the 2026 Bismarck represents a shift in how battleships are perceived in modern warfare. For decades, battleships were considered obsolete, replaced by aircraft carriers and missile destroyers. But this new design challenges that notion by combining the heavy firepower of traditional battleships with the versatility and technological sophistication of modern warships. It's not meant to replace carriers but to complement them, providing a heavily armed, highly resilient platform that can operate independently or as part of a larger fleet. Its ability to deliver both kinetic and energy-based attacks, combined with its advanced defense systems, makes it a formidable opponent in any scenario. From a visual standpoint, the ship is nothing short of stunning. The sleek lines, integrated weapon systems, and futuristic superstructure give it a look that feels both powerful and refined. At night, subtle lighting along the deck and hull adds to its presence, making it look almost like something out of a science fiction movie. Yet despite its advanced appearance, it never loses that sense of heritage that connects it to the original Bismarck. It's a perfect blend of past and future, honoring history while pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Ultimately, the 2026 Bismarck Battleship isn't just a warship, it's a statement. It represents the evolution of naval engineering, the integration of cutting-edge technology, and the enduring appeal of one of history's most iconic vessels. Whether you're a military enthusiast, a technology lover, or just someone fascinated by massive machines, there's something undeniably captivating about this ship. It takes the concept of a battleship and completely reinvents it for the modern era, proving that even in a world dominated by missiles and drones, there's still room for something big, bold, and incredibly powerful.